If you're having problems with your solar system, specifically a solar and shade system from Sunniva Solar, here are a few tips and tricks to figure out what is going on and what to do about it. As with any maintenance on your solar system, safety should always come first. With that in mind, make sure you always wear proper protective equipment or PPE when you are handling any wires or other equipment. There are many causes and problems that can occur to your system. Some common ones include low voltage and low power that can commonly be caused by shaded panels, loose connections, or cloudy weather. Visually check if any of these are occurring before continuing. A quick look at your system can easily help you realize if a tree has grown and is now causing shade, or snow from a recent storm is still on your panels. Another quick and easy way to check for problems is to review your monitoring system. Check for any errors or error messages. If you do not understand the error messages, please contact tech support as they can help you sort the problem out remotely. You can also see production levels as well as comparing production history to help you understand if you are producing less power than you should be. Once you find an error or problem, see our error message video for further help on what to do next. If none of the previous actions have solved your problem, we recommend next checking all electrical connections. There are many connections on your system, such as between the solar panel and the microinverter, and the wiring between each microinverter and into your junction box. Make sure each one of these connections is properly connected and clicked into place. If you find one that is not properly connected, promptly insert the male connector into the female connector until you hear a click, and then check to see if that solved your problem. To check if your solar panels are properly working, you can turn the system off, disconnect all the microinverters from the solar panels, and then check for voltage from each panel using a voltmeter. Once disconnected, insert the positive lead of the voltmeter into the positive connector, or the male connector of the solar panel. Then connect the negative lead into the negative connector, or the female connector. You should read a voltage that is similar to what the panel is rated for. Most solar panel voltages range from around 20 to 40 volts. Each panel is different, so make sure you know what voltage you are looking for. If a panel or multiple panels are underproducing, you will need a new panel. If none of these solutions have solved your problem, reach out to tech support and we will work with you to figure out your problem or have someone come out to help you solve this problem. To prevent certain failures, regularly check connections and wires to make sure everything is sound. At any moment of your troubleshooting, feel free to reach out to tech support. We are here to help answer questions and to make sure your system is working properly and efficiently. Your energy production is our success. Thanks for watching. Come back for more helpful tips and tricks and other content.